up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that share button, and definitely click on the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you're not going to want to miss out on anything we do on this channel because we do a lot of great stuff. Alright, today as you see I got my PlayStation system on in the back. So we're going to go ahead and go over this month, November 2024, free games for PSN subscribers, guys. You know, if you subscribe to PlayStation Network, you get free games every month. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 3. And during Christmas time, at least for the last couple of years, I've seen them that they do, like for a certain amount of weeks, they do a free game every day, or like every 2 games every day. It's crazy. So I'm waiting for that, and hopefully I can bring out more content when that comes out, because I know you guys, I want you guys to know what free games comes out right away as soon as they come out, guys. So I'm gonna go and shrink myself down so we can go over. And let's go shrink myself down now. As you see, my PlayStation is here. I already got Black Ops. I don't have it on PlayStation. I have it on PC because I play mostly on PC. I don't play my PlayStation as much as I used to anymore. Don't know why. Just a force of habit because I'm always on my PC. But anyways, once you turn on your PC, your PlayStation, and you're signed in, you want to go over to the PSN right here, PlayStation Plus. Go in here, whether it be Essential, whether it be Ultimate, or I forgot the middle one. But once you go in here, you want to go down and you want to go over to monthly games, which is right there. Open that up. Once you open it up, you get the free games that they're going to give out this month. As you see, there's 3 games here. The first one is going to be Death Note. I'm pretty sure all my anime people know what that is. That's for PS4 and PS5. Then you got Hot Wheels Unleashed 2 Turbocharged, which is a good game. I think I'll be playing that game too. That's for PS5 and PS4. And then we got Ghostwire Tokyo. I did get this game for PC because I played it on my Lenovo Legion Go, and it's an awesome game. I haven't finished it. I played it for like maybe a couple hours, and I haven't had time to finish it up. But yeah, that game looks good. Well, it is good from what I played it. So those are the 3 free games. So the first 2 are for PS4 and PS5, and Ghostwire Tokyo is only for PS5. So you got 3 PS5 games technically, and then 2 PS4 and PS5 games. Alright, so we're gonna go over and check out the first one, which is Death Note Killer Within. Okay, Killer Within. Yeah, I thought I was gonna say something else. We're gonna open that up. This one is normally $9.99, but if you're subscribed and you want to get it, add it to your library now. It's free until December 3rd. I was gonna say November 3rd, but until December 3rd at 12 p.m. After that time, guys, it is gone, and you have to pay the full price of $10. I know it's not much, but hey, every dollar counts nowadays. So this game is a very small game. You can play online. This game is only 2.44 gigs of hard drive space, so it really isn't big at all in space. This was released just yesterday, or the day before, on the 5th. So guys, it's a brand new game. I'm pretty sure it's been out for a lot longer, but it's been released for PlayStation Network since the 5th of November. Alright, if you go down, you got some screenshots here, here you can check it out, how that works, how everything plays out. You can go down more, and you get some add-ons here. You can get the standard edition that I have, or you can get the special edition, which costs $19 more. But we're not gonna do that, since we're gonna just add this to our library. I don't think I added it to my library. No, I did. So I'm gonna go add it to my library just to have it there. As long as I keep my PlayStation Network's subscription on, I should be straight with this. Alright, so I'm gonna go down. Alright, and here's some actual add-ons here that you can add to your game if you want to play. There you guys go. Okay, so Death Note Killer Within is an online social deduction game up to 10 players. Players will split into 2 teams with different objectives. To win the game, players will need to figure out the other identity and either eliminate L who Trellens Kira Spiral of a Seeds of the Death Note. Okay, so that's what it is. Like I said, you can play online up to 10 people. It supports 16 people online. It just saw it right there. And It's only a 2.44 gig of hard drive space, so you can even add it just to add it and play. Alright, so that's for the PS4 and PS5. Death Note Killer Within. We're gonna back out of that. And we're gonna take a look at the How We Unleash Turbocharged, because that's a game that I'll keep for myself just to play. Alright, so this game is normally $50, $49.99, but it is free if as long as you're a subscriber. It is free until December 3rd at 12 p.m. After that, you're going to pay the full price of $50. I'm going to add it to my library now because I don't want to forget it, and I want to be able to play it. And this is the standard edition. This game is a lot bigger than the last one. This one takes about 30.62 gigs hard drive space minimum. You know, because these are the minimums that you install it, but sometimes when they have updates, it gets bigger and bigger. So that, like the Call of Duties, oh god, that's big. Alright, this game was released last year in October, so it's been out about a year and a month now. It does play online, so you can play online. And if you do have the Ultimate Edition of, what's it called, the PlayStation Network, the Ultimate Edition, where you can play the online games through the cloud. This game is on the cloud, so you can play this on the cloud if you want to. It says it right there. I got rid of that because it didn't make sense for me. But here's some media that you can check out, the videos, screenshots, how it looks. It's basically a racing game using Hot Wheels. That's all it is. I love racing games. It's one of my top 3 favorite games. All right, so there you guys go. If you go down, you got some more add-ons here that you can add on to your collection. Oh, the Fast and Furious expansion pack. That'd be kind of cool to have. Here's some different editions. You got the standard edition that I got. You got the deluxe edition, which is another $70 on top. Or you want the legendary edition, which is $80 on top, guys. So there's a lot of editions there, but I'm gonna stick with the standard edition because I'm okay. And then you got some add-ons here you can add to the games, like I said earlier. And you got more actually. Look, it says view more. And then down here, basically, I'm not gonna read through this because you guys know what it is. You're racing using Hot Wheel cars, basically, which is pretty cool. It supports up to 12 online players, which is cool. Okay, it's arcade version driving racing genre, like I mentioned. Alright, and this is for both the PS5 and PS4. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna get out of that because we already got it. We don't need it. Now we're gonna take a look at Ghost Rider, which is available only for the PS5. So you don't have a PS5, it's not gonna work for you. We're gonna open that up. This game is $60, guys. This game came out 2 years ago, over 2 years ago, March of 2022 it came out. This game is old. I haven't even my Lenovo Go, and look at this, guys. It's still $60. It's like the Call of Duty games. They never go down in prices for some reason. But I'm gonna go add it to my library. I'm gonna play on my PlayStation from now on. I think I have it on PC too. I have it on PC, my Lenovo Go, and now for PlayStation. It is 23.14 gigs of hard drive space. This is also on the cloud, so if you do have that subscription for the cloud gaming, you can play on the cloud there. Alright, here's some screenshots and videos of the game itself. It's a horror game. It's pretty cool. I liked it. Like when I play it, I liked it. So I'm gonna keep playing it, just haven't had time to play it. And here's some more videos if you want to watch them here. Here's some add-ons for the different versions. You got the standard edition, Ghost Rider Tokyo, and then you got the deluxe edition, and then you got the corrupt case file prelude. So which I'm gonna add that one too since it's free. It's a free add-on, so I'm gonna purchase it right there. All right, perfect. Go down. All right, here you can read some more information here. I don't think it goes over too much of what the information is, but it has a lot of information there, guys. Go. And then over here, like I mentioned, it's 23.14 gigs of hard drive space. You can this one does not require online because this is a standalone game. It's not an online game. And that's it, guys. That's really it for today's games of PlayStation 5 PSN subscribers. All right, so we're gonna go back out and review the 3 games that they have available. Remember, the first one was Death Note Killer Within. That's for PS4 and PS5. It is $9.99, but free until December 3rd, 2024. All right, and then we also have the Hot Wheels Unleashed 2 Turbocharged, which is $49.99, but it's free if you're a subscriber to PSN until December 3rd, 2024. And we got Ghost Rider Tokyo, which is $69.99, which is, or $59.99, I forget which one, but still up there, 60 bucks. So 60 plus 50 plus 10, you're looking at $120 savings just for being a subscriber. Alright guys, so that's it today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to share. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comments box down below. I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so at the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.